Every home rests on something invisible, the foundations. At Masters, this is where our work begins on site, and where the real craftsmanship takes place. We collaborate with structural engineers on every project. They design the foundation, and we bring that design to life, safely, accurately, and with the right materials. First, we open up the ground so the structural engineer can inspect what's really beneath the surface. Sometimes they visit the site in person, other times we take clear photos, record depths, and prepare a short report so they can finalize the foundation design. This coordination ensures that every footing is designed from real conditions, not assumptions. Next comes excavation and shoring. Keeping trenches supported isn't just a safety rule. It's how we prevent collapse and protect nearby ground and buildings. For most domestic projects, the engineer specifies concrete such as C25 or C30, designed to reach 25 to 30 newtons of strength after 28 days. On site, we make sure the mix arrives at the right consistency, usually around a 100 mm slump, so it flows smoothly into deep trenches. In warm weather, we might request the supplier to include a retarder, giving enough working time for proper placement and vibration before the concrete begins to set. Every pour is vibrated with a poker to push out trapped air and make the mix dense and durable. When reinforcement is specified, we check that the bars are tied at the correct spacing and that there's the right amount of cover, the few centimeters of concrete between steel and air that prevent corrosion and ensure long-term strength. Good concreting is all about control, the right mix, correct compaction, and patient curing. Get that right, and the structure above will stand quietly for decades. I'm Alex from Masters, and this is how we build the part of your home you'll never see, but will always rely on. That's the kind of foundation we build, for your home and for your trust.